Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Mr. Emmanuel. In this lesson today, we are going to talk about sources of energy. Sources of energy. Okay, what is energy? Energy is the power or the ability to do work, the ability to do something. That is energy. The capability, the capacity to perform a task. That is energy. So you working from one position to another, that's you have the ability to move from one point to another. You have the energy to work. So for the fan to rotate, it uses energy. So energy is the capacity, the capability to do work, the ability to do work or perform a task. So we're going to talk about sources. Where do energy come from? So let's quickly talk about some sources of energy. Okay. Don't forget that energy can be grouped into two. We have the renewable energy and the non-renewable energy. The renewable and the non-renewable energy. So that is it. Renewable energy, non-renewable energy. So the renewable energy are the ones we can regenerate when we use them. When they finish, we get a new one. When they finish, they can come back again. They don't finish. They can't finish in the world. While the non-renewables are the ones that when they finish, they can't come back again naturally. So now sources of energy. We have number one from wave in the water, in the sea, the ocean, wave. We have the wave energy we get from wave in the ocean. That's the one source of energy. Then the next one is tidal. Tidal, from the tide, the movement of water inside the river or the ocean or the sea. A kind of turbine is placed inside the water, and as water is flowing, the turbine is turning, and it helps generate electricity or other forms of energy. So that's the tidal energy. As you can see, this kind of turbine. We have the hydroelectrical. No, we have the hydrocarbons and gases. Hydrocarbons and liquids. The hydrocarbons are the petroleums, natural gases, and oil, like the ones we use to drive our motorbike, our cars, our generators, and other things. That's the hydrocarbons. We refine the crude oil into all the forms we want, and we use the hydrocarbons. This is a drilling machine used in getting crude oil from the ocean. The next one is hydroelectric. That's the damming, where a river or a stream or a water body is dammed and the water is tied up and forced to go out from a little place. There it turns the turbine to generate electricity. This is very popular in most countries of the world. Hydroelectric. Next is the geothermal. The geothermal energy, that is, it happens inside the earth, or the hole is made inside the earth, and the heat generated there is used to heat steam and turn turbines to geothermal. Then we have the wind energy. The wind is used to generate energy. Then we have the solar energy. That's energy from the sun. The sun rays is harnessed to produce energy, electrical, heat, and so on. You can see the solar panels there. We have the biomass energy. Biomass. That is energy that we get from burning of organic substances like wood and anything. Burning of organic substances, you can see them here. When they burn, they generate heat energy. We use this type of energy to cook. Next, we have the nuclear energy. This is also it's a very popular but dangerous form of energy in some ways. Nuclear energy from nuclear reactions. It's also popular and very efficient. And finally, we have the coal. Coal is another form of energy. Used to drive engines like train and others, and also it can also be used to cook. The coal, another form of energy, very old. All right, that's the end. Okay, maybe let's take a quick review and we'll summarize. This is coal. This is nuclear power. This is biomass energy. This is solar energy. And we have wind energy, geothermal energy, hydroelectric energy, hydrocarbons, gas, and liquids, tidal energy, wave energy, and then renewable and non-renewable. So I advise you to go to the video again and classify all these sources of energy into renewable and non-renewable. Tell me the ones that are renewable from these ones we listed, and the ones that are non-renewable. I hope to see you in class to answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching.